welcome back, guys, to All Different RC Cars Tricks Part 2. Sorry, I had a call from the last video, so I had to stop it. It was a very important call. And we're going to keep going. We only landed one so far out of, like, what, 7, Mason? 8? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Next trick. I gotta flip the camera. Here we go. Okay, here we go.
Did you see that?
Shoot!
Boom, boom. If you haven't watched part 1, just go watch that one right now.
Yup.
It's okay if you get off the video.
Yeah, just go watch.
Okay, a naked girl coming through. Oh, no.
Well, she wasn't naked, but
Yeah. We just didn't want you guys to see.
they're not very... Shoot! They're 5 years old. They're dumb.
Yeah, but what if there's someone 5 years old watching this? And then let's say it's not made for kids. And then they're gonna go crazy and say,
The video's on, Mason.
I know!
Well, then shut up! Here it goes.
Did you see that?
Oh! Off with a baseball. Go get it. Bring him back up.
Where'd it go?
Probably into the 5-year-old, girl one. And 5-year-olds that are watching this, you are not dumb. It's just girls. They're putting on makeup.
Yeah.
They're putting it in their nose holes. They don't know how, so. Here we go. Oh! Hey, why'd you shoot, Mason?
You can only do one shoot.
All right, Mason, let's switch. You're the cameraman.
Okay.
I always have to be the cameraman, so here you go.
Okay. I just gotta get into this position.
Can you just hold it right there, ready?
What's that? Parker doesn't know I'm doing this.
Mason, stop!
I wasn't doing anything.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't. Did you see that little...
What's up?
Oh! Go get it.
Stop it!
Oh, that actually landed! It landed because I pushed it.
Mason pushed it so quick. Mason, stop it right now. Stop! Would you know? Stop it, Mason. Oh, it landed!
I know. I'm not dumb. It landed. Let's go.
Shut up, Mason. Oh, that did like a thing that you...
Triple Taco?
Yeah, like a... Stop, Mason.
I wasn't doing it.
Delete our YouTube channel.
I won't do it. I did
Stop it!
it. I'll give it a little boost. That did a bell ring nothing. Let's see.
Gently move it.
It did it! Let's go!
Shut up, Mason. You're 11. You're going to be screaming like a 7-year-old.
I accidentally did that.
You're screaming like a 7-year-old. You're 11 years old, dude.
Yeah.
What? Then why does Dude Perfect do that?
Shut up. Dude Perfect is he's a little.
They're probably way better at doing stunts than us.
Yeah, but that's fine.
I mean, like tricks with RC cars.
We're 11. They're 24s.
I think they're older than that, though.
Some video.
That was lame.
It was very lame.
Because it just rolled down, like, basically, and then it just did a pop wheelie.
Okay,
This
guys,
one-
this one's going backwards. Mason, show him how.
Ooh, let's go. It's going to go backwards.
Ready?
Yep. And just so you know that it didn't look backwards, it's because I pushed it and then it turned.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I'll try it. This time I'll push it.
And that might land it!
Mason, why?
I think I need to fix the tire, though.
Yep. Wait. Which one?
Oh,
Yeah, it's this one.
No, this one.
Sorry, guys. Broken tire here. Wait, Mason. I saw it. Here.
No.
Hold the camera. No, here. It's this one.
This one. Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna
Fix the tire here.
Mason doesn't know how to do it. He's looking.
No! My dad's hot.
I'm just gonna put the camera down on the floor. One sec. Actually, no. Pause the video, guys.
And they're basically just gonna not pause the video.
Yeah, I know. Because I don't pause the video when they tell me to. I just keep watching it. Why can't we get emojis on here? Oh, Jesus. Jeez! What is that?
Yeah, this one's fixed.
Okay. Okay. Mason's back to the camera, guys. Ready?
Parker doesn't know how to fix a tire on these yet. What? Why isn't it not clear? Okay. And it did not land.
Guys.
Oh, you. What the?
Okay.
It was because
Okay. Stop moving the camera. Okay, there you go. Now stop moving it. Mason. Mason, I'm going to delete it. Okay, right there. That's good. What would I do?
No, it was like this. You could see my feet.
Okay, there. I'm okay. Mason, stop.
What?
You have it flipped.
No, I don't.
I saw you push the button.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I have no clue. And I pushed it!
Yes! Dude, did you see his push? It literally scurried down. Guys, pause the video and rewatch that right now.
Yeah.
He literally pushed it and it went flying all the way down to this stair. Right where my foot is.
Like
And then it finally
like this.
got down.
Okay, ready? Watch me push it.
Here, let me do it. It went like this.
No, video it.
Boom.
No, video it when I push it. Okay, so it was like it was coming forward and I pushed it fast. Oh, I thought it was gonna land.
Mason, I'm doing
Or
the
it either broke the plastic on it.
Huh?
Or it either broke the plastic on it.
Did?
Nope.
That's nice. If you want to do that, you can literally see right where the image is. So,
Wait, you actually do. So I'll be at the bottom getting the
okay. All right, guys. We just found a new way to set the camera against the wall. So I'm the one doing the RC car, and then Mason's down there. You can see. We just set it up against the wall, and it works perfect. There we go. Mason, don't touch it. Landed it. Come on, Mason, bring it up. Don't throw it though. You're gonna. sorry. Is this guys? Comment down below. Like number 1. This is number 1.
No.
This is number. Mason, stop.
number 2.
Mason, stop. This is number 1 for image. This is number 2 if you guys like that better, and this is number like 3. But I like number 1 because then you can see more of it, and you can see around it. Okay? So, keep going, Mason.
Oh!
Bring it up. Stop, Mason. Landed.
It did.
All right, guys, backwards again. Landed. Mason, that was for. Put that back where it was. That was for the RC car. Remember?
What?
Because if it lands on that, then we move it. And
Oh, yeah. Right here?
yeah,
Right here?
yeah. Okay, bring it here. You're gonna break the plastic. There it goes, guys. Mason!
Sorry!
Guys! Comment down below if Mason was an idiot right there. He does that sometimes. Mason, get out of the way!
I'm gonna jump!
That wasn't a jump.
I know. But I just didn't see it coming that fast.
Did it land?
Hey, give me the...
Did it land? Oh! What? You're gonna do it. You can't do that. Wait, that sees a lot of the wall, Mason. Wait, Mason, you messed it up.
Mario!
Shut up.
Is not really that dumb dude.
Guys, stop it.
Do it.
Sorry, this is Mason, the bad boy. And
No, you're doing that. I'm right here. I'm right here.
okay, guys, is that good? Think so? Did you guys see that one? Didn't land. You guys can't see the car. There we go.
Back, double black foot.
Bull.
Oh! I kind of want to triple out.
You guys can't. Sorry, guys. Like, this is so hard from image.
Should I be the cameraman?
Yeah, like you were supposed to be here. Ready?
Nope.